Tes 1, 2, 3. Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial again, and today I have something that must do with my assignment. Is Cisco CCNA 200 SUPERLAB 4, and now I have a assignment to do this task. Okay, without further ado, the topic are VLAN networking, custom and cloud trunk, port fast, RSTP, VTP, port security, ether channel, router on stick, switch, virtual interface, SPI, DHCP server, DHCP excluded address, routing OSPF, routing ARGP, mutual redistribution, passive interface on OSPF and ARGP, access list, DNS server, web server, email server, and NTP server. Task 1. Okay, we begin. We start for the part 1. Basic configuration. Configure a host name in all router switch as same as display name. Configure enable secret all router switch as a CISCO. Okay, start from here, I guess. Enable secret CISCO. Okay, sorry, just move out. Go to the CLI. Enter router switch same as display name, and switch 1 enable configure terminal host switch 1 enable secret. This is the short term for enable secret. Enable secret CISCO. Sorry, enable secret CISCO. Okay, if you want to try it, just go to the exit and exit again, enable, and this is the password CISCO. Okay, configure terminal. Okay, it's already done. Switch 1, it's already done. Now we go to the switch 2, CLI, enter, enable, configure terminal, host switch 2, enable secret CISCO. Okay, it's already done. Switch 2 is already done. And now go to the switch 3, enable, configure terminal, host switch 3, enable secret CISCO. Sorry, enable secret CISCO, and then go to the switch 4, CLI, enable, configure terminal, hostname switch 4, enable secret CISCO, switch 4, and then we go to the switch 5, configure terminal, host switch 5, enable secret CISCO, switch 5, and then switch 6, enable configure terminal, host switch 6, and enable secret CISCO. Go to the switch 7, enable configure terminal, host switch 7, and then enable secret password is CISCO. Okay, we already configured all the switch in here, and now we go to the SPI or MLS multi-layer switch. We just go and configure terminal. Host name is core switch 1, enable secret CISCO, and then okay, we already configured this name, host name. Its switch and multi-layer switch is done in here, and then go to the switch. Oh, router 4, this is router 4, and where is the router 1? Router 4, router 5, I think this is the router 1, router 2, oh yeah, so this is the router 1. CLI, enter, enable, configure terminal, host, core, router 1, router 1, enable secret CISCO, core router 1, and then core router 2, enable configure terminal, host, core router 2, enable secret CISCO, and then we go to the core router 3, configure terminal, host, core router 3, enable secret CISCO, and then we go to the router 4, configure terminal, host, core router 4, enable secret CISCO. Okay, core router 4, it's already set. And now the last one is core router 5, CLI, enable configure terminal, and then we go to the host, core router 5, and then enter, enable secret CISCO. Okay, it's already set. Now to the part 2, configure ether channel switch 1 and switch 2. Configure ether channel. Ether channel is we must trunking. We connected 3 this layer. You know this layer, ether channel. This is the wire from here. There are 3 wire in this. Yeah, start from Where is it? Fast Ethernet 8, 7, 8. Wait, I must. Okay, so that is 6, 7, 8. It's up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 2? This is 5. This is 6. This is 3, 4. Where is 2? 9. This is 3, 4. So maybe I will do the thing. I cannot see the. So if 7, 8, 9. So where's the fast Ethernet 2? 2 is up. Okay, we configure this up. Switch 1. Do show CDP next. Switch to fast Ethernet. Oh, so fast Ethernet 2, 278 is device to the switch 2. Okay, switch 1, switch 2, 2782. Okay, enter. This is the fast Ethernet 2X7. This is trunking to the switch 2. And now interface fast Ethernet 07, fast Ethernet 08, and then fast Ethernet 02. Interface range, sorry, fast Ethernet 07, fast Ethernet 08, and fast Ethernet 02. And this is Ether channel. This is the Ether channel. Use Ether channel ID 1. Channel group 1. Switch 1 is active. Switch 2 as passive. Okay. Mode active. Okay, it's already up. Channel And now this is Ether channel LACP. They want to make a protocol is LACP channel protocol LACP. Sorry, channel protocol protocol channel protocol LACP. Do show header sum. We want to check it up. Okay, group 1 LACP facet rate 7, facet rate 8, and facet rate 02 is I standalone. Okay, port 1. And then we go to the switch 2. Enable CISCO, and then configure terminal is the same like switch 1. For first, do show DCP NIC CDP. I'm sorry, I must CDP NIC. And then into from switch number 2 trunking to the switch 1 is passed at 167. Okay, interface range fast Ethernet 01, fast Ethernet 06, and then fast Ethernet 07. Channel group 1. I'm sorry. Channel group 1. Oh, sorry. Channel group 1 mode passive. We want to make it passive. Switch 2 is passive. Channel protocol LACP. Do show ether sum. And this is the port 1. This is passive. Faceted 01 is passive. Faceted 6 is passive, and faceted 7 is passive. Okay, it's already green. And now part 3. This is switch 1. Configure VLAN and trunking switch 1, switch 2, and router 4. And this is switch 1, switch 2, and router 4. And this for the part 3. This is we want to configure is VLAN 7, VLAN 8, VLAN 9. Permit access. Only permit access VLAN trunk interface. Configure port files in all interface that connect to the server. This is the server. Where's the server? This is the server. And configure router on stick. the SCP server in port router 4 for all VLAN. Set the DNS server to 192.168.1.3, exclude IP address, core router 4. Below this address, VLAN, and the end of this section, make sure that all PC can ping each other. Okay. Start from the switch 1. Exit first. And now we go to the VLAN 7. Name VLAN 7. VLAN 8. Name VLAN 8. And VLAN 9. Name VLAN 9. And then we go to the router config. Sorry, we want to trunk or switch port mode access. Okay, VLAN 9 and VLAN 7, name VLAN 7, VLAN 8, name VLAN 8, VLAN 9, and name VLAN 9. Because we don't have VLAN 7, so we skip to the VLAN 8 and VLAN 9. VLAN 8, this is for fast Ethernet 5 and 6. Okay. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 5 until 6. Switch port model access. Switch port access VLAN 8. Five, 6. Switch port model access. Switch port access VLAN 8. This is 5, this is 6. And then don't forget to spanning 3 port. Okay, spanning 3 port. And then we go to the next step is 3, 4. Fast Ethernet 3 and 4. This is the VLAN 9. Interface range fast Ethernet 3 until 4. Am I right? 3 and 4. Okay, this is the VLAN 9. Interface range fast Ethernet 3. Switch port model access. Switch port access VLAN 9. Span 3 port fast. This is the short term. Okay, 3 and 4 is already span 3 port for the switch port access VLAN 9. And then we go to switch 2. I'm sorry, we go to the exit first before we stop. Interface fast Ethernet 01. This is the for the router. We want to make it model trunk, fast Ethernet 01, switch port model trunk. Okay, it's already done. Switch port trunk, VLAN 9, sorry, 7 until 9. Load VLAN. Exit first. Trunk, allow VLAN. And then we already up to the channel 7, 8, 2. Switch port model trunk. Interface port 1 because there is port 1 in here. Group port channel is port 1, and then we configure the interface port 1 because we already make it to the one interface. This is port 1. Switch port model trunk, and then we go to switch port trunk, allow VLAN 7 and 9. 7 until 9. Okay. And then we go to the switch 2. Exit first. And then we go to the VLAN 7. Name VLAN 7. VLAN 8. Name VLAN 8. VLAN 9. Name VLAN 9. And then we go to the interface for the VLAN 7 and 8 interface. Interface for VLAN 7 is 5 and 4, 4, 5, 4 and 5. Interface fast Ethernet 04 until 5. Sorry, interface range. I really forget about that. Interface range fast Ethernet 0 for 5. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 7. And then we go to the interface range fast Ethernet 0 for 5. We go to 2, 2, 3. 2, 3 is VLAN 8. 2, 3 is VLAN 8. We go to the interface 2, 3. Switch port access mode access. Switch port access VLAN 8. I'm sorry, this is switch interface range 2, 3, 4, 5 fast Ethernet 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 until 5. switch port span port spanning 3 port fast. Okay, and we go to the exit interface port 1 switch port mode trunk switch port mode trunk, and then we go to the switch port trunk allow VLAN. Okay, and then we can configure to this router. We go to the router, and then we go to the check result. For the result assessment items for checking, we go to the switch 1. Where is switch 1? Okay, this is the switch 1. Okay, it's already set. VLAN name switch 2. Okay, it's already done. Okay, no problem. Switch 1 and switch 2 is already correct. And then just go to the exit. And now we configure the ICP server in router. And then we go to the exclude address in here, configure router on stick, I'm sorry. Face the DNS server to the 192.168.1.3 is exclude server. Router 4, enable CISCO configure terminal. We go to the interface FastEthernet 1/0 and no shutdown. We want to make the wire is port is already done or it's on. Then we go to the interface FastEthernet 7. Encapsulation .1Q7. This is the short term. So we can add the IP address AP address 192.168.1.7, and don't forget to the prefix 255.255.255.0. Sorry, I forget about this thing because this is the IP address for the gateway. Enter, and then we go to the FastEthernet encapsulation .egg, and then we can configure this egg. And now we go to the 9 encapsulation.9 IP address is 9.1. And then we go to the IP DHCP pool. VLAN 7 network. Subnet mask. Default router. Default router 192.168.7.1, and then DNS server is 192.168.1.3. One nine two one six eight 1.3. Enter. And then we go to the IP DHCP pool VLAN egg. Don't forget to egg default router, and then DNS server is same. Go to the DHCP pool VLAN 9. Network is 9. And then we go to the IP DHCP exclude. We already make the pool IP DHCP pool for VLAN 7, IP DHCP pool VLAN 8, and IP DHCP pool VLAN 9. And now we go to the IP excluded. IP DHCP excluded 192.168.7.1 IP DHCP excluded. And then we go to the egg, and now we go to the 9. And then we configure all this thing. The stop IP configuration, the SCP, make sure we want to test ping. Okay, it's already set. The SCP pool. Okay, this is 19. Reconfiguration, the SCP. Okay. Desktop IP configuration, the SCP. Okay. DHCP. Okay, it's already got desktop IP configuration, DHCP. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Desktop IP configuration. Oh, sorry, DHCP. Okay, it's already good. Now we want to test ping 729. Progress developed but successful. And now we want to another plan. Okay, it's already successful. And then we go to the part 4. Configure Ether channel, switch 3 and switch 4. This area. And then we go to the EN. CISCO. For first, part 4, configure Ether channel, switch 3 and switch 4. Configure Ether channel PAGP between switch 3 and switch 4. Use Ether channel ID2. ID2 disable and switch 4 is auto. Okay, let's start it. Configure terminal. Do show CDP NIC. And go to the switch port is fast Ethernet 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. Okay. Switch 3 is mode to disable and switch port is mode auto. Okay. Interface range fast Ethernet 02, fast Ethernet 07, and fast Ethernet 08. And then channel through mode disable. Channel group 2 mode disable. Okay. To show enter some port 2 is PAGP. 2 to 7 8. And now we go to the switch port. Enable CISCO configure terminal. Do show CDP. Do show CDP is pass Ethernet 167. Okay, interface range pass Ethernet 01, pass Ethernet 06. Pass Ethernet 07. Pass Ethernet 606. Pass Ethernet 7. Okay, and then pass Ethernet 167. Channel group 2 mode. Channel group 2 mode auto. Okay, it's already up. And then channel protocol PAGP. Do show error sum. Port 2 PAGP. Okay, it's already up. And then we go to the interface. Fast Ethernet 01 for the trunking. Switch port mode trunk. Okay, it's already set switch port mode trunk. And then we can check the result. Small item. Switch 3, okay. Port model. Okay, I think we must configure this one by one. Mode trunk. Oh yeah, switch port mode trunk. Switch 1 is mode trunk, and then we go to the switch interface. Port 2, switch port mode trunk. We do the same thing. Exit first, interface, port fast 2, switch port mode trunk. We can check the result. Switch 3, okay, it's already switch port mode trunk. Okay, channel group, and now we configure the VLAN. Well, now we go to the VLAN 5, switch 3 tool. VLAN 6, VLAN 5, I'm sorry. Then we go to the interface, VLAN 5. This is 5 and 6. 5 and 6 is VLAN 5. Interface range fast Ethernet 05 until 6. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 5. Span port. Okay, and now we go to this area, VLAN 6. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Interface range was Ethernet 03 until 4. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 6. Span port. And now we go to the interface, pass Ethernet 01. Switch port trunk allow VLAN 6 till 7. And then we go to the interface, port 2. Switch port trunk allow VLAN 5, 6. Okay. And then we go to the switch port. Exit VLAN 5. Name VLAN, sorry, VLAN 5. VLAN 6. Name VLAN 6. Interface range pass Ethernet 0 for the VLAN 5. It's 4 and 5. 4, 5. 4 and 5. 4 until 5, switch port, model access, switch port access, VLAN 5. And then we go to the interface range, pass Ethernet 0. I'm sorry, switch port, we span port first, 4 and 5, okay. And then we go to the interface range, pass Ethernet 0, 2 and 3, I guess, 2 and 3, okay, 2 and 3, 2, 3, switch port, model access, switch port access, VLAN 6, okay. And then we go to the span port. Spanning 3 port, and then we go to the interface port 2, switch port, trunk, allow, VLAN 5, 6. And we can check the result. Switch 3 and switch 4. Where is it? Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, okay, it's already done. Switch 4. VLAN 5, where is it? There's a switch 4. Okay. I'm sorry. Switch port, I guess. Switch 4. Okay. Switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. Incorrect. Still incorrect. CISCO. And now we go to the router 4, core router 4, router 5, sorry. Configure terminal. And then we go to the interface, pass header 1/0 for no shutdown. No shutdown, okay. And then we go to the interface, pass it dot 5, encapsulation dot 5, IP address 192.168.5.1. Don't forget to subnet mask, okay. And then we go to the 6 encapsulation dot 6, and then we go to the IP address 6K. Pull VLAN 5. VLAN 5 IP DHCP pool for VLAN 5. And then we go to the network 168.5.0 to 5.0, and then we go to the default router and DNS server. .1.3, and then we do the same thing to IP DHCP pool VLAN 6, and then we go to the network 6, and then we go to the DNS server default router, sorry, 6.1, and then we go to the DNS server, is still the same. And then we go to the IP DHCP exclude address, okay, it's already set. Desktop IP configuration DHCP, okay, it's pretty good. Okay, it's already set all of the thing. We go to the VLAN 6 to the VLAN 7, VLAN 5 to the VLAN 6 palette, and then it's successful. And then we want to this thing. Okay, it's already successful. We can check the result if you want. Assessment item. I don't know what is wrong with the VLAN 4, switch 4. I think switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. Still about VLAN name. Core router 5. Where is the core router 5? Okay, core router 5. Okay, excluded. Okay, enable secret host name. Okay, it's already set. Flash Ethernet. Okay, 6, 7. Okay, it's already set. And now we go to the tax 5, and then we go to the tax 6. Configure VLAN, trunking, switch 5, part 6, and core router, core switch 1. Configure terminal. So this is the VTP. We configure this VTP server on core switch 1. Domain is Aguna course, password 123, and then VTP is for virtual trunking protocol. Is VTP is to server and client. We want to make this VTP is client on switch 5 and switch 6. So we just configure to this thing, and we configure the switch port for the rest of area. Okay, let's get started. Configure terminal. PTP domain name Aguna course PTP mode server, sorry. PTP mode server. I forgot Aguna course. VTP pass 1 2 3. Then where is to the password net 1 2 1 2. To the 1 and 2 interface, range password net 0 1 2 switch port from okay. It's already up. Now switch 5. We want to VTP client. VTP model VTP model Agona course VTP pass 1 2 3. Okay. Okay, and then go to the switch 6. Enable CISCO configure terminal VTP model client VTP DOM Agona course interface password net 0 1 and VLAN 2, VLAN brief. Okay. Do show VLAN brief. Okay, it's already set. Now we go to VLAN 3, name VLAN 3, and then VLAN 4. Two, three, four. Okay. Do show. Okay, VLAN 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's active. This is 2 for VLAN 2. Two is VLAN 2. Fast Ethernet 02 is VLAN 2. Okay. And 3, 4 is VLAN 3. Okay. Switch port X interface Fast Ethernet 02. Switch port order access. Switch port access VLAN 2. Span port. Okay, and then we got a 3, 4. Three and 4. Sorry. Switch port order access. Switch port access VLAN 3. Span port. Okay, it's already set. 3, 4. Then we go to the switch. 6. Exit. I'm sorry, configure terminal. Bench. Pass Ethernet 0. For VLAN 2 is 2 and 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. Fast Ethernet 2 and then Fast Ethernet 0, 4. Fast Ethernet 2 and Fast Ethernet 4. Switch port model access. Switch port access VLAN 2 and span port. And then we go to the interface. Fast Ethernet 0, 03. switch port model access, switch port access, VLAN 3, and then span port. Okay, and then go to the interface range, fast Ethernet 0, what is it? 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 until 6, switch port model access, switch port access, VLAN 4. Okay, span port. Okay, it's already span port. And then we go to this thing, back again, exit first, interface VLAN 4. Okay, it's already set, and now we go to IP, DHCP, pool, VLAN 2, net 0, 2 bucket, 2 bucket, root 0, Astaghfirullahaladzim. 192.168.2. Okay, IPDCP pool, VLAN 2. Okay, it's already set. Net, default router, DNS server 192.168.1.2. 192.168.1.2. And then we go to the IPDCP pool, VLAN 3, default router, net first, network first, and then go to the default router. Then go to the DNS server IP DHCP VLAN 4, network first, default router, and then we go to the DNS server, still same. IP DHCP excluded 2, 3, and 4. Okay, it's already set. Now we want to configure desktop IP configuration DHCP. Okay, it's success. Desktop IP configuration DHCP. Okay, 2, 3, and then this area desktop IP configuration DHCP. Okay, it's already set. Now desktop IP configuration DHCP. Okay, 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 3, 4, and then this 4. Okay, P configuration. Okay, and then we want to try ping each other from this area to this area first. Failed. I don't know why it's failed. PVST. will show span VLAN spanning tree protocol is TP. Okay, sorry. Interface range fast Ethernet 1 0 5. Okay, we go back to the this area. Spanning tree and this is part 7. I'm sorry to explain. This is spanning tree, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. This bridge is the road. Okay, so it is up. And now it's all green. There is no looping again. And now we configure the part 8. And now we go to the server area. This server area. DNS NTP server, web server, and mail server. And now we configure router 2. Interface fast Ethernet 0, 1, no shut. And now we go to the router 2. Configure terminal. Interface fast Ethernet 1 0, no shutdown. Encapsulation .1. IP address. Okay. Okay, one setting. Okay. Go to the switch 7. DNS server, web server. Fast Ethernet 0, 3, 0, 4, and 0, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Server area. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's already done. Happy static. DNA server. Okay, and now we go to the web server. Okay, it's successful. We configure the static. Set it 1.2. Okay, it's already. Now part 9. Configure port security on our part 1. Corner server. Use model sticky. Sticky is use mode port security. Go to the switch. Three and four. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Switch port security. Okay. Violation. Maximum address is 1. Okay, it's already set. I'm sorry. We already set the port security in this area. Three, four, five. Okay, it's already accessed. We forget to add the spanning tree port first. This is OSPF. This is AGP. And then we go to the router 2. Fast Ethernet 0. Okay, this is 21. This is 18. No, shutdown. Okay, now to the interface. Fast Ethernet 0, 1. IP address. IP address 1, 1, 10, 10, 10, dot 21. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Interface Fast Ethernet 00. IP address 10, 10, 10 dot 18 255 Okay, now do show done. Plus 00. Okay, and now interface Fast Ethernet 01. IP address 10, 10, 10 dot 21 255 enter. No shut. Okay, It's already up. Now we go to the router 1. Interface fast Ethernet 01, fast Ethernet 01, IP address, sorry, 10, 10, 10, 10, 17, 255, 255, 255, 252, no shut, and then go to the interface fast Ethernet 0, 0, IP address, 10, 10, 10, 10, dot 30, 255, 255, 255, 252. No, shut. And then we go to the interface, fast Ethernet 10. It's 1, okay. IP address 10, 10, 10, 10, dot 1, 152, dot 252. No shutdown. And then we go to this area. This was PF. Okay. Configure terminal, interface. Fast Ethernet 01. 5. Okay, the first fast Ethernet 01, no shutdown. It's already set. Now we go to this area. CISCO, configure terminal, interface. 6 10 10 10 10 6 5 5 2 5 5 2 5 5 2 2 5 2. Now start, and then go to the interface, press Ethernet 01 IP, and now we go to this area, configure terminal, interface, fast Ethernet 03 first, and then go to the IP address 14 255 255 252. I'm sorry. Encapsulation dot no switch no switch. Oh, I'm sorry. No switch port. Okay, and then go to the IP address 10 10 10 10 14 255 255 dot 252, and then go to the interface, pass Ethernet 5, sorry, 4 first, 0 first, no switch port, and then go to the 10 10 10 26, and then interface, pass Ethernet 05, no switch port, okay, it's 10 10 10 10, all of them is 10, okay. Interface, no switch port, IP address, where is 26, no shutdown. And now we go to the router tree, enable CISCO, configure terminal, go to the interface, fast Ethernet 1/0 for the up, IP address 10 10 10 dot 22, 255.252, no shutdown, and then go to the interface, fast Ethernet 01, 10.10.10.25, sorry, is this we already fixed it? Fast Ethernet, why this is still back? Fast Ethernet, no shutdown. I'm really sorry. Fast Ethernet 00. Zero. Okay. Now, I'm sorry. I make a mistake. IP address. Wait a minute. Okay, and then I go to this area. Interface. No IP address. Now interface password 00 is already set. No shutdown. Okay, it's already up. Now part. Now SPF. This area. Router 1. We start from router 1. Router OSPF 10. This is OSPF, fast track 1. One, two. This is 13 and this is 14. So the network is before it's 12. Okay, 003 because prefix 30 will card. Then we go to the multi-layer switch. IP routing, sorry. And now 9. Okay, egg router. Exit first, router OSPF 10 network 10.10.0 first 3 area 0. Area 0, and then go to this 10 because this is 5 and 6, so this is 4. PF10, and then we go to this 8 because 9 and 10 is 8. I'm sorry. Eight, and this is 9. Sorry. This is for VLAN 5, this is for VLAN 2, VLAN 6. Router 4. Interface, fast Ethernet. Passive interface. Okay, and so 9 and 4, 10, 10, 10, 5, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5, 8, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. And then we want to configure from this VLAN 9 to VLAN 5, successful. Okay, and VLAN 8 to the VLAN 6, successful. Okay, it's already successful. And now we configure a GRP. No router 2. Oh, multi-layer switch. Sorry. Twenty-four, 25. network 10, 10, 10, 24. Okay. 25, 25 and 36 for 24. And then we got to the VLAN 1 and 2, 168, 5.0.3. 255. I'm sorry, this is VLAN 2. Okay, VLAN 2. I almost forgot. Okay, VLAN 2. Now VLAN 3. And now VLAN 4. VLAN 3 and VLAN 4 passive interface. And then we go to the router. IGRP 1. Okay. 10, 10, 10, 10. This is 17, 18. Okay. No. Auto. So. And now router 2. Auto sum. CISCO configure terminal router IGRP 1 network 10, 10, 10. 21 and 22 is 23 and then net 10, 10, 10. It's 24, I guess. 24. Now we want to check it up. We want to test ping from RGB to this RGB. Success. Okay, it's already success. And now part 13. And we want to redistribute between OSPF and RGB. So all the routing, it's become one session. Okay, we exit first. Now we go to the router EIGRP1. Okay, this 3 mute. One, two, three, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll exit router OS PF10. That is 3 mute. Metric type 1 subnets. Metric type 1 subnets. And then we go to the exit first. Redistribute OSPF1 metric 2, 3, 4, 5. OSPF10, I'm sorry. Redistribute OSPF10 metric 111 and then exit router F10. Redistribute EIGRP1 metric type 1 subnets. And now we want to ping all the from here successful. If you don't try VLAN 6 to the VLAN 4, still fail in the first time, but is successful. Okay, so we already configure OSPF, this one to the AGRP. And now configure SRP core router 2 and router 3. Configure SRP core router 2, router 3, use ID 1. The virtual IP is 192.168.1. Configure core router 2 become active gateway and see the gateway on all servers 192. Okay. And now sorry, I already configured the HSRP. And now such as standby 1, this is to show standby, do standby active. And now we configure the part 15, configure the NTP server. The service. Service, it's on, and NTP on. A1. And now we configure is uh, February, it's 2026, sorry, 2026, okay, 8 February, I'm sorry, this is 8, okay, and then we want to configure NTP server to all the router dan multi-layer switch in. And then we go to the router 1 and router 2, exit, so, NTP authentication key 1, indicate NTP authentication key 1 MD5 invalid. Authentication MD5, sorry. MDP authentication Okay, we will try to this one first. Exit NTP server 168.1.3 NTP authentication authentication key 1 MD5 123. Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to NTP authentication key. Okay, and then go to this area, NTP authentication key strip key 1 MD 123. Then go to this area, NTP server 168.3 authentication key 1 MD5 123 server authentication key 1. Okay, and then go to this area, 168.1.3 NTP authentication Q1 MD5 authentic key. Go to this area, CISCO configure terminal, NTP server, system, NTP authentication Q1 MD5 1 2 3. Now we want to do show NTP. Do show NTP status. Okay, it's synchron. Do show NTP. Now we configure the DNS and web server. Go to the DNS. On. This is on, this is off. I don't know why I cannot see this. This is name. For first is a record is agunacourse.com. Aguna course agunacourse.com to 192.168.1.4 app, and then go to the sim name. It's agunacourse.com to agunacourse.com app, and then we go to the record again. Mail dot aguna course.com to the 192.168.1.5, and then add. and then we go to the web server to configuration this web server. HTTP edit welcome to Aguna course.com. Okay. Yes. And then we want to make sure the ping is the web browser. So ping web browser Aguna course.com. Welcome to agunacourse.com. Okay, it's already success. And now part 17, we configure the email server. Configure email server and create two user 1, 1, 2, 3, user 2, 1, 2, 3. Set up email client on PC 18. Where's the PC 18? This is the PC 18. Okay. And PC 19, VLAN 9, to user 1 and to user 2. For first, we want to make the mail server. Go to the service and go to the email. This is on, and domain name. Domain is agunacourse.com. User 1, 1, 2, 3, add plus, and then go to user 2. It's 1, 2, 3 again. And then we configure to PC 8 and PC 19. Email, go to the email. Course.com. Email address user 1, user1 agunacourse.com, server information, mail.agunacourse.com, same mail.agunacourse.com, username user1, password is 123. Save. And now we go to the PC19, mail user2, incoming mail server, mail.agunacourse.com, mail.agunacourse.com, username user2, agunacourse.com, password 123. Okay, save. And then we go to the one to send, compose to user1, test, hello, send. Okay, the server is already done. Okay, and now PC receive user to test. Okay, it's already set. And now we configure the access list. Configuration access list router 2 and core router 3 to prevent ping from all VLAN to the all server. Accept any other packet. Use name access link block ping. So the point is we want to block this is VLAN, all the VLAN from 7, 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, 2, 3 cannot get ping from server. cannot get ping from the server. Okay, we go to the router 2. IP access list. Extended block underscore ping. Enter. ICMP. Prevent VLAN. Any permit IP any. And now for the router 2, router 3. IP access list. Sorry, I forgot to add the wheel card. Block ping off. Okay, it's failed. Okay, it's success. To DNS, it's success. And now it's already set. It's complete for 94%. And maybe I will come back if this check result still like NTP authenticate, core router 2, NTP authentication, network router 1, block ping, core router 3, block ping, incorrect. It's already, okay, I think it's already, but I think this bug, or I don't know, I already used the NTP authenticate and router 1 in incorrect. Maybe in the future I will complete it until 100%. So yeah, this is all for me. Thank you very much. And honestly, it took 3 hours from me. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video is really helpful. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if I make any mistake. I'm still learning. I'm Rohafis Genta. Bye bye.